we are at the start of my hydro plant. Built this little dam in the stream, and attached to it is what's called a Coanda box, made by Elgin Corporation. I picked this one up from Langston's Alternative Energy. It will allow water in, but keeps debris out. And once the basin of the Coanda box fills, the water moves out through this 6-inch line. Now I was getting a lot of air in my lines, and it was reducing the pressure down below. So I put this little snorkel in, and as the air moves across the top of this pipe, it vents out. It reduces down to this 4-inch line and heads some 310 feet down. It's a drop in elevation of about 50 feet. I'll show you what's down below. Well, I'm down below now. I gotta talk loud because it's a little noisy. The pipe comes down, drops in about 50 feet in elevation. That 50-foot drop allows me to build about 23 pounds of pressure. The water moves down around this ring around the generator. I have 4 valves set, but I only keep 2 open. So it's the pressurized water that makes the turbine spin, hooked into the generator. It generates electricity. You hear it powering up and down as the draw or load in the house calls for it. The inverter handles that automatically in the charge controller. I'll show you what's inside next. Power being produced by the generator comes through in here. Inside here is a rectifier, which converts it to direct current. There's a direct current breaker. Comes in. This is the battery charge controller. Snyder's a really good product. This is the inverter. These are my batteries. 3 batteries. I'm going to be getting more batteries. Right now I have 10 designated lines on my hydro. I'm going to have more eventually, but it's keeping up with all of them. Now I'm pretty clueless at wiring, and Spencer from Langston's Alternative Power down in South Carolina really walked me through it. He's a great brother in the Lord, and he's very knowledgeable. I loved working with him. He's the best. So anyway, this is my setup, and God bless everybody.